Hello everybody, Prince the Bear here. To an absolute surprise at a random Disney Springs trip.
We just walked by.
Pepe by José Andrés is open.
I literally started freaking out the minute I saw people in there and the door opened.
She actually did.
So excited.
We have been waiting 2 years
So
for this
excited.
place to be open. This is one of our favorite quick services in all of Disney Springs. Time to go.
Be sure to gazpacho. Ah!
You heard the girl.
I love Pepe and their gazpacho. If you saw in our last Jaleo video, maybe it was the time before that, we did the gazpacho. We've made this gazpacho at home. We have a recipe for you. This one's a beef version. Been waiting a very long time for Pepe to open. It's like, this is one of our favorite quick service spots, simply for the gazpacho.
Breathe, woman.
Oh yeah. Seasoned beautifully, perfectly. You can taste like the peppers, the celery, everything in this. You can't really taste the beef. This just tastes like incredible gazpacho. I'm obsessed. Like literally this is the best like midday snacks. If you're in the Springs area, 1000% go pick up you one of these gazpachos. This is filling AF. 5 out of 5 gazpachos. Princessity's list all the way.
There are times where I feel like the princess is itching for a Pepe endorsement, a Jaleo endorsement. Not that we would turn that down, saying, not really saying, but actually saying. But yes, we do love the gazpacho. We were never really gazpacho people. I don't think I maybe had it like maybe one other time, maybe the first time I was here at Jaleo. But ever since we had it here, we have been absolutely addicted. And the Jaleo, not Jaleo, Jaleo. Absolutely love the gazpacho here. And the Beet Gazpacho is new after they reopened, but Pepe has been closed now for almost 2 years. And it's good to finally see that it's back open, because of any other place you can drop in here and get like a quick lunch, definitely one of our favorites. You can get wine, you can get little Spanish sandwiches, or you can get the little gazpachos. I think the size has changed a little bit, but this is still like a healthy dose of gazpacho. And you just straight up drink it cold. That nice beet color. I feel like Disney's still on its mission to make us love beets. Oh yeah, that's good. It's just like the gazpacho we love. This is definitely like fresh made, in-house, and then bottled. All the flavor, the onions, the peppers, and a nice chilled puree. If I was coming here for like a Disney Springs rock roll, I would stop at Pepe first. For us, you're never gonna get anything but love from us, from anything Jaleo branded or Pepe. I agree, 5 out of 5 claws. It's on the Bare Necessities list. If you've never tried gazpacho, you should definitely do it here first.
Gazpacho cheers to the community. That was a three sipper for me, but filling now. I'm good for another couple hours. This is bomb. Love me some gazpacho.
It was a nice visit back to Pepe.
I was obsessed. I drank it in, like you saw, 3 gulps, and I want more gazpacho. I'm probably going to annoy him now to go home and make a whole container of it so we can.
I get the feeling that every time that I'm
some
sitting here for
quantities.
some random set of ears or a Magic Man, I'm going to be ordered to come home with gazpacho now. Thanks a lot, Jaleo. José Andrés, you've ruined my life.
I love you, Jose.
And somehow elevated it in some way.
Thank you.
And we want to know why you guys haven't been to Pepe. You need to go and check out the gazpacho. Go to Jaleo, period, because we love that restaurant. There's been some
Facts.
inconsistency since it's reopened, but it's always a place that we love to go. But let us know in the comments what you think about it. If there's anywhere else you think is better than Pepe and Disney Springs, by all means, comments in the place to let us know. Hit that notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
We have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
And if you don't comment, well, no soup for you. No soup for you.
You heard the girl.